Well, I can see her when it's closed. I can't.
Alana. Squishy. 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 She's like, what's this? It's a tree? Squishy. Hey, Squish. Where's the baby?
What you doing, Squishy?
Got a little bit of zoom here.
Thank goodness for Zoomer. I'd be sitting in the mud.
Alana.
Alana.
Ball. Ball. Uh-oh. Can I have that? What do you got there? A piece of dirt. Why, thank you.
Oh, boy.
A piece of dirt. Another piece of dirt, too. Oh, thank you. You can't pick that up. That's a root. There you go. You got your little cane. Oh.
Puppa.
Old lady squishy with her cane. Oh, you got more dirt for me? Oh, yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, she says. Give that tree a hug. Give him a hug.
So a little tree hugger?
Yeah, look at her. She's like, that's a tree, yeah.
Hello, tree.
Yeah. Nice day out.
It is gorgeous. My weather kitty was right. It is perfect.
Squishy. What I got? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You okay? Yeah, you going back?
Yes, she is. Her pants need to be pulled up a little bit.
It's like show off. Uh-oh. Like I'm up on the mountain. Look at me. You can do it, kid. Be careful. You gonna pick up some more dirt for me? Uh-oh. You know, during that you can take pictures. If you want to take still frames, you can push the button.
I think I accidentally figured that out earlier.
Oh, a twig. Thank you. Thank you. Yes.
Yeah, when I first came out here, she ran up on
Got a
this
piece of moss there.
group of about 6 or 7 kids playing Duck, Duck, Goose. It was the cutest thing
Can you
ever.
give me a little bit of it? Thank you. Can I have it all? No? No. Alana, no. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, you don't eat dirt. Babies eat dirt, but you don't eat dirt.
Good catch, Papa.
There you go. Want your ball? Go get your ball. Here, take your little cane. There you go. Your little old lady cane. It's like I don't want this, I want dirt. I'm gonna hug this tree.
Damn. Queen of the mountain.
Skills. She's like, I can do it. Yeah, give him a hug. You just love the dirt, don't you? Well, thank you. Another one? Well, thank you. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You're gonna need a bath, kid. Water's rolling around in the mud.
Yeah, she was in,
Baby. Look,
she was in grave
fingers
danger
down
of
here.
getting a bath tonight anyway.
That's all right. I got dirty pants anyways. There you go. Yay!
You know, I had a feeling
Yeah.
that she was going to get a little grubby today.
Yay. Look at it. Love that tree. Yeah. Feels funny, don't it? Your sparkly shoes. You're picking up with the... Oh, can I have that? Okay. Thank you.
Yes, we give all the dirt to Papa.
It's not even dirt, it's little pieces of moss growing on the ground. Uh-oh. You can do it, get up. You can do it. No. Like, I'm going to find the muddiest place and I'm going to hang out there. Lana.
Oh, she's just digging in the mud.
Uh-oh.
Aw.
Yeah, she's getting muddy. Where's you being a baby?
Oh, getting dirty. Say hi.
Hey, look how cute I am.
Look how dirty my hands
Look
are.
at this dirty hand. Little dirty baby hand. Are you gonna get your ball?